here at Ceramic Pro San Diego. Just finished up with this 2020 Tesla Model Y. Did a full paint correction on it, get rid of the existing wash lines and sand spots from the dealer, typical stuff that Teslas come with. Put some paint protection film on the front of the car to protect it from the rock chips and the light swirling and scratching. Seamless install, so everything's tucked, wrapped around the edges, badges are replaced. After we finished up with the paint protection film, topped the car off with a Ceramic Pro Silver package. That's a 5-year coating, base layer and a top coat on all the paint, the wheels, the glass, the plastics, pretty much everything on the outside of the car. Make it easier to clean, give it that nice deep shine, you know, for years to come. Look at how glossy that looks, so good. All finished up and proper. Now it's ready to hit the road. Cool, thanks for watching.